we installed these little Amazon half and half. Customer put it up on the wall. We wanted to see how it would work out. So he ran the line set outside. It's not 100% complete, but it's cooling. Here's what you have to do. You need to make sure you have 110 volts, not 208 or 220. And you have to put an adapter on here, 5/16 to quarter, to evacuate it. And then I leak tested it with nitrogen and I evacuated it. But I know why they put that odd size on there, so no one can walk up with their gauges from the truck and hook them up, because you're not supposed to hook up anything to this. It's pre-charged, it holds ounces. But so far, it's cooling. So for the price, minus I would say it's almost 100% homeowner install. You need to evacuate it, and he's got to finish putting the lines in. You know, if you don't anchor this, it could tip over. But overall, I'd say, you know, if you're willing to take a chance as a homeowner and hire somebody just to evacuate it and put it up and do all the labor, the thing's cooling pretty good. It's cooling. There's a little remote for it, so it works pretty good for what it costs. Anyway, I'll say it's one cannoli because it takes a little bit of HVAC person to finish it. So it's not 100% homeowner unless you have all the tools. But other than that, I mean, it works pretty good.